Hi, this is Timothy Schutte with Realty Capital City. Welcome back to my video blog. It's August, it's fall, or I feel like it's fall. In the real estate market, we call it fall. What does that mean for your house? What does that mean for maintenance tips? And I feel like in the spring I say it, and I say it again in the fall. Check your gutters, clean your gutters, get the leaves out of it. As the leaves fall, we're still getting rain. We need to make sure that our gutters are clean. We need to make sure the water's getting away from it. It also means we have different bugs coming out. So as harvest starts and happens, you're going to see more rodents running into houses. You're going to see more different style spiders. And so make sure your pest control is on point, or if you do it yourself. The other thing is, like outside my office here, I have a whole bunch of ornamental grasses. Some people say cut them in the fall, some say cut them in the spring. I've done both, and it seems like they manage, and I like the look when I'm snow blowing better when they are cut, because you don't have as much overgrowth happening at that point. Just some simple tips like that. Clean up all the stuff that you have in preparation of what could happen when snow falls, because snow can fall anytime. I've seen it as early as August 9th and as late as January. But those are some of the preparation tips from that. Your furnace is going to start kicking in. You need to check your filters again, fire up the furnace, maybe have it inspected by a professional. We do have people we'd like to work with if you need a recommendation on that. As it is just August, you got plenty of time. The video might feel a little early as a reminder. In fact, it does for me. But as summer is ending, it is very important to get those projects finished and accomplished as we head from fall into the winter months. So use this as a reminder to get your checklist done, get your honey-do list items done before winter hits. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is Timothy Schutte with Realty Capital City.